Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox black screen problem. First, click here and go to Windows, Update Settings, make sure to install all the updates that you can find here, and now go back. Try something like turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and if you are using internet cable, all you have to do is just click here and type control panel, and after that type here, click on view network status and tasks, and then click change adapter settings, and right click, disable it, and wait a few seconds and enable it again. And if that doesn't fix it, open task manager and then just click on memory to see application that is using your memory, and close all of the applications that you don't need, like Google Chrome, applications that may take your memory while you're playing, while Roblox is launching. So just close off the applications that you don't need. And if that doesn't fix it, and after trying all solutions that you can find and you can't fix that problem yet, then all you have to do just go to apps and features, click here and type Roblox, click on it and uninstall it, and after that just go to command prompt, type here cd app data / local, click enter, and copy this comment that I will type here, and like that, Roblox, click enter, then type Y and click enter, and Roblox will be completely removed after this one. And that's it. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, see you in the next video.